Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we change our pin lock in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to change your pin lock, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change pin lock in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your pin lock. So guys, scroll. Guys, you can see security setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on screen lock. Guys, enter your pin. Guys, again click on pin. And guys, new pin guys, I will take this 2580. And guys, don't do any mistake here guys, be careful. And guys, now you can see 2580. Okay, so a pin has changed in our Motorola phone. So like that guys, you can change your pin lock in your Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on guys next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video. And guys, I am really sorry for this sound. I am really sorry friends.